Hello dear students, welcome back to mathematics class. Already you know we are learning the second lesson, and that is playing with numbers. In previous videos you learned the divisibility rules, and in today's class we are going to learn about highest common factor. In short form we are calling it as a HCF. So let us take one example. I will take here 15 and 21. See here, among this, here two numbers are there. We are going to find its highest common factor. To find this HCF, we have two methods. Okay, we have two methods, and one is prime factorization method. One is prime factorization method, and one more is division method. Okay. Here there are two methods. One is prime factorization method and one more is division method. Okay. So I hope you see here there are two methods. One is prime factorization method and one more is division method. So in this class we are going to learn only how to find the HCF by prime factorization method, and we are going to solve some of the examples from your exercise 2.3, and that is first one, find the HCF of the following numbers by prime factorization method. So see here, by name only you come to know here we are using prime numbers. To find the HCF we must and should use here prime numbers. Got it? See here, already you know about prime numbers and composite numbers. So let us recall that prime number. Prime number means a number which has only two factors and one and the number itself. Okay, so they are prime numbers. For example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, so on. So these are the prime numbers. While dividing the numbers we must and should use prime number. Okay, you don't use any composite numbers. So here let us start the prime factorization method by using this example, prime factorization method. Okay, here we must and should use prime numbers. Okay, so see here 12 and 15 and 21. Okay, so see here, divide this number. Yes, just see this 15 is there in which table? Yes, that is there in 3 ones are table, isn't it? So take here 3 5s are 15, 3 5s are 15, again you take 1s are 3 5s are 15, 5 1s are 5. So stop it here. Then here you write 15. The prime factors of 15 are 3 into 5. Next here similarly you do with 21. Tell me 21 is there in which one's the table? Yes, it is there in 3 ones are table. 3 7s are 21 and 7 1s are 7. For this you need to know tables too. If you don't know tables then you can't solve this problem. So please keep practicing tables every day. So say take here 21 is there, 3 into 7. Okay, 3 into 7. So let us take here 15 is equal to 3 into 5 and the 21's factor are 3 into 7. So let us circle this number. Which one is common both the side? That is 3. Yes, both the side the common digit is 3. Therefore the highest factor of 15 and 21 is 3. HCF is 3. Therefore the HCF of 15 and 21 is 3. I hope you understood. See here, both the side which digit is common, no, that you have to take only one time. Got it? Next here we will take few more examples from your exercise 2.3, and I will take here first one. Find the HCF of the following numbers by prime factorization method. So let us take here some examples. Exercise 2.3. Exercise 2.3, and that is first main, and the first question is A1 21 and 104. 5. So let us divide this number 21, and it is there in 3 ones are table. 3 how much are 21? 3 sevens are 21. Next again you take here 7 ones are 7. 3 sevens are 21. 7 ones are 7. Again you take here 105. Okay. So again you check whether this number is divisible by which number. Yes, here in 1's place 5 is there, means that number is divisible by what? 5. Okay. So take here 5 2's are 10 and 0 as it is. 5 2's are 10 and 5 1's are 5. 5 2's are 10, 5 1's are 5, means 5 21 1's are 105. Next 3 7's are 21, 3 7's are 21, 7 1's are 7. 5 21's are 105, 3 7's are 21, 7 1's are 7. So let us write its prime factors. 21 is equal to 3 into 7, and let us write its prime factors of 105, and they are 5 into 3 into 7. Okay, so here there are two common numbers are there, that is 3 3 7 7. Okay, they are repeated 2 times, but you take only 1 time. Take here 3 into 7, so 3 7's are 21. Okay, so this type you have to find the HCF of the numbers by prime factorization method. Yes, let us take one more example from your exercise, and that is 50 and 25. 50 and 25. So take here 50, divide with 5, because here 0 is there, means that number is divisible by 5. 5 10's are 5 10's are 50. Next 5 2's are 10. 5 10's are 50. 5 2's are 10. Again you take here 2. 2 1's are 2. Let us just see here, this 5 and 2 are prime numbers. Therefore 10 is equal to, the prime factors of 10 are not 10, 50. 5 into 5 into 2. Next you take here 25. Yes, it is there in 5 ones a table. So take here 5 5's are 25. 5 ones are 5. So 25 is equal to 5 into 5. So write it factors. 50 is equal to 5 into 5 into 2. Next here what is there? 5 into 5. Here two numbers are repeated, 5 and 5 repeated 2 times, but this you take 1 time, and again this number you take 1 time. So 5 5's are 25. Okay, so the HCF of 50 and 25 is 25. Okay, so let's take one more example from your exercise. Take here, I will take here 14 and 19. 14 and 19. So take this 14, 2 7's are 7 1's are. Again you take here 19, 19 1's are 19. So the prime factors of 14 are 2 into 7, and here the prime factors of 19 are 19. So here there is no common number. Okay, there is no common factor. Therefore the HCF is 1. If there is no common factor is there, means that that number's HCF is 1. Okay, let us take one more example, and I will take here 46 and 72. 46 72, and this is your I-1th example. So here I am solving the examples from your exercise 2.3 first main I. So take here 46 is there. See here in 1's place 6 is there, means that number is divisible by 2. Take here 2 2's are 4, 2 3's are 6. So here 23 is a prime number, then directly you take 23 ones are 23. Okay, so the prime factors of 46 are 2 into 23. Next again you take here 72. Here in 1's place 2 is there, means that number is divisible by 2, and take here 2 3s are 6, 1 remain, 2 6s are 12. Again you take 2, 2 1s are 2 and 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So the prime factors of 72 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. So right here 46 is equal to 2 into 23, and next number is there here 72, and write its factor. So write its factor, 72's factor right here. 72 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay, these are there no the prime factors of 46, and these are there no the prime factors of 72, and let us see which one is common here, 2. Therefore the HCF of 46 and 72 is 2. Okay, so this type you have to solve all the examples from your exercise 2.3. here more than 8 examples are there. Try to solve remaining examples. So most of the examples I have solved here, so few more examples are there, so please keep practice in your home. So solve this all the examples, and in next class I will teach you how to find the HCF by division method. Here there are two methods to find the HCF. One is prime factorization method and one more is division method. So already you learned the prime factorization method. In next class I will teach you the long division method. For this you need to know tables, so please keep practicing tables every day. Okay, so I hope this class is clear to you. Thank you.